Greetings everyone, my name is Lim Zeng Hong from class DJK3B. My matrix number is 08DJK23F1012. In this video, I will show you the best way to clean up your front load washing machine. Before we get started, these are the materials we needed during the cleaning process. This is glove. This is vinegar. And this is the washing machine cleaning powder. Ensure that the washer is empty before running any cleaning cycles with vinegar or bleach to avoid damaging clothes. First step, a clean cycle is required. Some vinegar is poured into the detergent box and softener box. After pouring vinegar, the drum is filled about 3 scoops of cleaning powder. A hot cycle is ran with 60 degrees Celsius and a heavy load to make sure the drum is filled with water. The cleaning program runs after I push the start button. Make sure to let the vinegar and hot water sit in the drum for at least 1 hour to allow it to break down any residue or mold.
A few moments later.
After the hot cycle, the gasket is cleaned using the DIY cleaning mix with a toothbrush and a microfiber towel. Next, the cleaning mix is sprayed around the gasket. Then, the build-up on the gasket is cleaned by using the toothbrush. After the gasket is cleaned, the dirty water is drained out of the drain hose and flows directly into the pipe to the gutter. Then, the drain filter is removed. The lint and hair inside the drain hose is cleaned out. This can prevent water build-up and protecting the machine's internal components. Be careful when removing the drain filter, as water or debris might spill out suddenly. Finally, the detergent box and the drain filter are removed and cleaned by using the cleaning mix and a toothbrush. After completing the cleaning, the machine's components are reassembled into the washing machine. And this is how you clean up your washing machine. Thanks for watching.